So this is your question, the cube, and this will appear in your question paper something like this. This actually is called isometric view. That means the 3D model view of this object. As you can observe, this is a cube box. This will appear in some lines, and you can observe M, H, and B here. And you can observe here one little arrow here, and in some question papers there will be an X mark which will be written here. This means that you are standing here, or your perspective is from this side. So if you are viewing from this side will become the front view of your figure, and this will become your top view, which is the letter B, and this is your left hand side view, the letter H. As you can observe here also, the front view, top view, the side view here. So now we will draw this. So now we will start drawing the views. So we will start with the front view. As you can observe here, the length here is 40 mm. You can observe here 40. So I am going to draw this line of 40 mm length. Here we go. This is your 40 mm line. Now I will draw this line, the height of this figure. As this is cube, all lengths will be 40. Also it's mentioned here, not here but here. So in this figure you can observe this 40 mm is equivalent to this 40 mm, which is in turn equal to this 40 mm. So I will draw 40 mm above, and again 40 mm. I am drawing this line 40 mm again because here it's mentioned below that 40 mm. So in drawing you need to bear in mind that some dimensions will not be given exactly at that place, but you need to search at other places. Like for example, I have drawn when I am drawing this line, I am taking this dimension because these are equivalent. So with this we can just complete our front view. This is going to be the letter N. So our first view, that is front view, is completed. Now for drawing the top view, I will just mark one line which is known as the reference line, and here I am going to use the 2H pencil, which is very light. See here, I can take the distance as required, because I don't assume that this is resting on the plane. Just you can take any length while doing the orthographic projections, and you need to project the lines. This is called projections. So you have observed these light lines. This is somewhat darker and this is lighter. Why? Because I have used H pencil for this and 2H pencil for this. Essentially 2H pencil is used when the lines are not part of the actual answer, as I have also told in the review section of this video course lecture. So now I will start the top view. This is little bit difficult and most of the students face difficulties in drawing the top view. So what is visible to you in the top? This square box with the letter B. But where to start and how to start? Because this is in this direction. But what we will do is we will draw this B vertically downwards. We will draw this top view vertically downwards. Just observe here this point and this point. I am going to draw this line first. I need not take measure length once again, that is 40 mm, because I have already taken the projections. Then I will draw this line. Again 40, because I can observe here this is 40, this is 40. So now I can easily complete the top view. top view is completed. And for the reference part, I am writing B here, the letter B. And observe that I am marking a little shaded region here, just to make you observe, make easy for you. I have drawn this shaded portion here also, which is near to this line. So the above line, this line is this line in your 3D drawing. Oh, now we'll start the development of the left hand side view of this figure. As you can observe here, this is the left hand side view. But as I have told you earlier, that in first angle projection, we will draw the left hand side view on the right hand side of this figure. So for that reason, first we need to draw the meter line. So what is a meter line? Actually, I'll show you what is a meter line. So left hand side view on the right hand side. So we need to first draw the meter line, which is at 45 degree. You can observe here, I am measuring from this side. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Between 40 and 50, it's going to be my 45 degree. You can measure the angle with a drafter also, but it will be a little bit difficult. That is why I am using the protractor scale here. But the standard way is you can draw this by the drafter scale also. So the next part, after drawing this meter line, just bear in mind, this is your meter line, and this is the most important component to develop the left hand side view or the right hand side view. So why it is useful, we can see here. From the top view, just project the line towards the meter line in this fashion, then project them upwards. And from the front view also. Now you can observe that there is one region which has been developed here. This is going to be our left hand side view. I will take the dark pencil once again, it is H pencil. This line is 40, this line 40 again. I am just darkening the lines which have already been developed from the projections from front view and top view. And this is the use of your drafter. I have not measured this length 40 or this length 40 or this length 40. This has appeared because I have taken this projection. So with using drafter, you can complete these figures with very ease and also in less time. If you are drawing without drafter, this will be kind of very difficult for you and it will be a little bit time consuming. So for your reference, just I'm writing H here. So this completes your front view, top view and the left hand side view, which is drawn on the right hand side. This is your meter line and this angle is 45 degree. So to give the finishing touch, I'll just draw the dimensioning lines for you, which is very important, and without that your figures are not complete. Remember, you have to draw the dimensioning line also with 2H pencil. So I'm giving the dimensions to the top view and here to the side view. Observe that I have given one dimension to each figure, but you can manipulate this and you can take the height here also, but you should not repeat the dimension. As we go along this course, I'll be giving you some rules and regulations as per the ISO required for the drawings. Forty. This is also 40. This completes our figure, and some students ask me whether to erase this line or let this line alone. My suggestion to you is, if you are drawing this with 2H pencil, this will appear in very light, and this shows that you have the thorough understanding of the concept of orthographic projections. So you can keep these lines as it is, so it will show to the examiner that you have the full understanding of the subject. Thank you. In the next lecture, I will give you another example of orthographic projection.